Hi, Dr. Chen. This is for exam 2, part 2. First thing, I'm going to go over the big data strategy. This has changed, or our scope has changed since then. This is from A2. So, but basically the same thing, except we're going to add graduation rate to it too. So ends, we want to increase enrollment rate, and then we also want to increase graduation rate. We want to identify some demographic indicators that prohibit or lacking that can be fixed to help enrollment or graduation rate. And ways we're going to do that is we're going to really look into the variables that affect enrollment and graduation rate, so we can come up with predictions and hopefully come up with recommendations that we can share with ASU on how to increase enrollment and graduation rate. And the success depends on creating useful user stories, properly identifying which variables actually affect enrollment and graduation rate. So that's going to be a big part of our regressions, figuring out which variables actually are the best to look at. And then we're going to create useful dashboards for each theme, enrollment and graduation. That's going to be able to communicate the information that we find to ASU employees the best. And so it means when we collect data, we got iPads data. Try to incorporate a secondary data source. We're hoping SAS gives it to us. Right now he says can't really do it, but we'll see. Generate 2 descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive models. And then create business intelligence stories using Tableau. Enrollment data. These are examples of variables that we're going to use. Might not use all of them, but yeah. That's kind of like our direction we're going in with this project. So next we're going to go to Tableau, prep, connect to data. Data's pretty clean for the most part. Not really too much to change if I remember correctly. But we'll see. I just created a second one for no reason. I'll get rid of this. Remove acting step. Let's look 2018, 2019. We could change this to date. Actual time is number. Enrollment, part-time, graduation rate, full-time enrollment, average graduation rate, average full-time, years, size category, which these two really, institution, and their state. Pretty much it. Output. Name. Let's do grad enroll data. Save to your file. Probably I'll turn in later. Preview Tableau. Alright, now we're gonna make some worksheets. Once it opens up, and create a dashboard on our descriptive user stories. Which descriptive user stories is once it pops up. Here it goes. One is like as a ASU enrollment committee member, we want to know national averages and compare it to our numbers, so we could plan for best practices. And then it's the same thing for graduation rate. we want to know how graduation rate is doing to national average. And so I'm going to create a little quick worksheet. I'm just going to do year, and columns will probably be average. This is going to be the enrollment one. Let's see, institution name. Go show me. I'm going to make a bar graph. This based on enrollment rate. So average full-time enrollment. That's for each year. That does not seem right. Oh, because take off aggregate. There we go. 11,000 or whatever. This is pretty high. This full time. Go down. Measure. Average. Let's go create a filter on it. Oh, okay. Go show filter. Let's do drop down. That seems better. Now I'm gonna go by school. App states. Do all average. Measure is average. Okay. Yeah. Pretty high average. I'm gonna check individual school real quick. Let's do like a big school. Big school. Go Ohio State. Yeah, Ohio State a lot. Okay. That's gonna be all. And we'll make another sheet. This one's gonna be for graduation rate. So we do year. And then we'll do institution name, filter, all, okay, or show filter. Make a single value drop down. And put graduation rate to a cohort. I'll make it average. And go ahead and show me, do a bar graph. Make this dynamic, so average graduation rate for insert institution name. I'm gonna do the same thing for sheet 1. Make a dynamic tile, so like it would be average enrollment rate for insert institution name. Okay, here we go. Sheet 1, sheet 2, and I guess I could filter for year 2 or size category. Show filter for that. So that way, I'll keep it like that. That looks good. All. I'm gonna do the same thing for sheet 1, do size category. Okay, show filter, all there. And now I'm gonna create a dashboard. So then I'm just gonna drag in sheet 1. And I'll make it, I'm gonna put a vertical thing right here. Drag in sheet 2. Okay. Now I'm gonna make it the same data source. So apply worksheets, all using related data sources. And do the same thing here, apply worksheets, all using related data sources. Get rid of this one. Get rid of this one. Now they work for both. And you see the tiles are dynamic. I can show a dashboard tile. I can show or just do like into insert. Let's do, I don't know. Institution averages, I guess. That's fine. Okay, and now you can look at all averages, graduation rate, and if you want to click on regular Appalachian State, and you see Appalachian States here. This would work for really any college. If any person using this dashboard from any institution could look at the national average, they could look at individual school averages, they could look at schools within the same size category, which is really nice. I should go back. We could do state too. Right, that would be helpful too. If you want to look for just North Carolina schools, that would be helpful. Let's do single value drop down. Same here. Oh, click the wrong one. All. Boom. Single value drop down. Oh, well, show filter. And single value drop down. Look at that, retrack it. Oops, I made that. Oh, clicking the wrong thing. There you go. Sheet 1. Vertical. Sheet 2. Make this apply all. Yeah, that way we get rid of this one. And now it should work by state too. Now it shows Colorado, Delaware. Okay, so if I was a dashboard user, what I would want to know is average graduation rate and enrollment rate for my institution. How I use it on a desktop using Tableau. Info I need is just a breakdown of the trend of graduation enrollment rates per year. And I should be comfortable using this since this dashboard format is self-explanatory. Should be easy to see the differences based on the bar charts and be able to filter out whatever information I need. So this is a quick 2 descriptive user stories all on the same dashboard: graduation rate and enrollment rate. Thank you for watching, And yeah, bye.